The building that we're in now is on the Tacoma Historic Register, and it's also on the Washington State Barn Register. Due to the fact that it was originally built for horse stables and wagons is how the gentlemen did their work at that time. The upper yard itself is a 2-block long yard. Generally, when you have an equipment yard, you want it very square. It provides a lot of parking and circulation for large vehicles like we have. This one is rectangular in shape and thin, and so it really impacts parking. So we have to park at other facilities, which also makes it difficult to mobilize. We can only store about 2,700 tons of salt to approach snowstorms. In an agency our size, we should be storing somewhere around 6,000 to 7,000 tons of salt to adequately respond to a storm and then any other follow-up storms within the winter. So from time to time, due to inclement weather or storm response or other emergency response, we have people working 24 hours a day. When we do go into a snow response, we light up this place in our upper yards. It looks like a football stadium, and we have about 26 vehicles moving in and out of this facility around the clock, along with about 54 employees. So it does get loud. There's a lot of light, noise, backup alarms. So it does affect the neighbors. We need to get into a new facility which looks at those things and provides all of the needs of all of our employees. You know, it would make them more reliable in their service and efficient because we could have everybody in one area, all their equipment, vehicles, materials, and so they could dispatch quicker for any of the response efforts that we have or maintenance efforts that we do on a daily basis.